What if their best friend were an AI? In a tech-driven world, artificial companionships fill our emotional needs. However, they may disrupt human relationships in a growing digital divide. Let's explore the heart of AI. The rise of AI companions. In 2025, AI is more than technologies. It's personal, from virtual lovers to AI chatbots that provide emotional support. Artificial companionships are as common as apps we download daily. Replika, Character.ai, and ChatGPT are emotional companions for many users, sharing secrets and finding comfort in daily interaction. The reasons: simulated empathy. AI tools learn our habits, mood swings, and preferences, adapting to our needs. Users, in return, receive constant attention and emotional support. Why people turn to AI for connection. Loneliness plays a role in the growing demand for AI companions. Many live farther away, work remotely, and interact less, making AI a convenient emotional buddy with fewer human awkwardnesses. AI offer instant comfort and companionship without human boundaries. While others use AI to escape human relationships, it's not always genuine or safe. However, are these artificial companions real connections or just a product of AI? The illusion of emotional intelligence. AI isn't emotionally intelligent. While it replicates empathy, it may lead to responses that seem genuine, forming human connections in a vicious cycle. For some, AI companions feel easier than real human relationships, providing a safe haven for coping with the human complexities of social connections. It's not always genuine, and relying too much on AI may lose our ability to form genuine human connections, causing us to lose our sense of human connection. So, where do we go from here? As technology advances further, AI will likely become more personal and efficient, offering deeper emotional experiences. At the same time, it is essential to recognize the value of genuine human connections in both AI and real life. For more information, explore the reasons behind AI's growing popularity and the impact of AI technology on our relationships.